So if you're selling a property, here's how to add value. I get this question a lot. So one of the major things you can do to add value would be to add a home office, create a master suite, any extra additional space, additional bedrooms, bathrooms, all create extra value. Another way to create extra value in your home is through upgrades. You know, making sure your kitchen's on trend, your bathroom's on trend. Simple upgrades can even be paint, flooring changes, carpet changes, etc. As always, if you have questions about your home's value or how to add value before you sell your home, get in touch with me. I'll be happy to answer more questions for you. Now, if you would like to get relevant real estate information about the area, just hit the subscribe button.